Hello everyone! Guys, mag-room tour muna tayo dito sa room 413 Ramada Hotel by Wyndham sa Prince Albert, guys. So, itong nasa harapan ko ang yan, door yan ha. Pagpasok mo sa door, yan sa door, nadiri ang hangiranan. Tapos butanganan og something og nandiha akong luggage, guys. Then next to that behind is the microwave, coffee maker, sink, fridge. Bena bay sulod, wala may sulod eh. And opposite diha is the mirror and the toilet. Of course, the toilet, makita na to ang ilang toilet bowl o shower nga naa diri ang shampoo, basta kana silang tulod dog shampoo, lotion or conditioner, something like that. Diri sa na mirror dako ang lights ug naa diha ang hair dryer. Unsa pa yung gusto makita, and then this pagawas nimo na diha table, dining table, good for two na ready na walay kanon. And dere nasa sofa with a table, okay lang, nice, and one big bed, queen bed with lights, nice no, I like it, with a big chair over there og naa kay laptop and computer something, I like it, and then TV, and that's all. So, mag-enjoy ta diri guys for few days. Mao ni siya ang window. We are on the 4th floor actually. So it's overlooking, di ba? Tarawa. It's evening right now. So naa diha ang mga casino. Ay, so casino. Shell. Unsa man na Petro Canada na diri guys, overlooking diri narana diri sa Prince Albert. So this is it, this is Ramada Hotel. Mo na atong room tour. Nice, I like the setup, it's comfortable. So that's all for today.